class. I hope you are all happy today. You are welcome to Den of Knowledge English Language Primary 1 class. We have an interesting topic to do today. It is singular and plural. Singular and plural. Singular and plural. What is singular? What is singular? Now we see singular as something that is one. Singular is something that is one. Anything that is one, we regard that thing to be singular because it is only one. If you look at what you are holding, you see that you are holding a pen. That pen you are holding is what? One. And we call it what? Singular. Yes, it is singular because it is what? One. So anything that is one is what? Singular. Your head. How many head do you have? You have only but one head. So we call that head singular. We'll say you have one head, and that one head is singular. Okay? Okay. If you look around, you still see that you have only one book with you. That one book you have there, we regard it to singular. We regard it to be what? Singular. It is singular because it's just one. Now let's look at plural. What is plural? Plural is something that is more than one. Something that is more than one. So anything that is more than one, we see it as plural. But if it is one, it is singular. More than one, it is what? Plural. Okay? Now, look at your hand. You have two hands. These two hands are plural because they are more than one. Look at your eyes. How many eyes do you have? You have two eyes. Okay? So those two eyes are plural because they are more than one. The teeth inside your mouth, if you can count them, you will see that they are more than one, so we'll say that they are plural. Anything in this world that is more than one is what? Plural. But only one is singular. Example. We have one pen. One pen. If it is more than one in plural, we'll say what? Two pens. This is plural. This is singular. Why? Because pen is one here, but here it is now more than one. So we'll say two pens. We'll say two pens. As you can see here, this is one pen. One pen. Now this one pen, we'll say that it is what? Singular. Because it is one. But what happens when it is now two? We'll say they are plural. Because they are more than one. So we'll say two pens. Two pens. Because they are more than one. Look at your book. We have one book. One book. One book. The book you have is one. We have one book. This is a book. One. That means this one book stands for singular. This one book stands for singular. The one book stands for singular. But when there are two books, it becomes plural. So we say two books. Two books. Because they are plural. Now see, there are two books. These two books are now what? Plural. These two books are what? Plural because they are more than one. You can have as many as you want. Even if it is 10 plural, 20 plural, to 1 million. They are all what? Plural. Because they are more than one. We have other examples like one head. We have two heads. We have one boy. One boy. If you look, you are going to see a boy here. Okay? But you see a boy there. But if there are five, who said there are 5 boys? Plural because they are not more than one. They are not more than one. So say there are 5 boys. Now we have, if it one girl is singular. Now how many girls do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 girls. 4 girls. So 4 girls are plural. 4 girls are plural. So I have 1 girl singular. 4 girls plural. That means if you want to say it again, we'll say pen is singular. Pens are plural. Book is singular. Books are plural. Head is singular. Heads are plural. Boy is singular. Boys are plural. Girl is singular, while girls are plural. We are going to stop here. Next time we'll continue this same place, English language class, primary 1. See you next time. Bye.